Hi everyone, it's me Dishani. Today I'm going to share a very easy and simple look which you can wear in everyday basis. If you are interested to know how I created this look, then keep on watching.
Okay, I'm here after a long days of break because my exams were going on. So today in this video, I'm gonna show you how I'll create a very easy glowy base, which you can create for everyday basis to your college or in your office. Now, I can completely understand that college and offices are not going on right now. So for online meetings and online classes, this look will be absolutely fine. So if you are interested how I created or how I will be creating the look, then keep on watching. Okay, so first of all I'll be doing my base using this concealer. I'll be mentioning all the products in the description box below. So what I'll do, okay, sorry, I've completed the first step. You can use any one of these two products, this Wow Aloe Vera Gel or this Invibe Primer. So anything you can work, both can actually work fine, but for a daily to daily basis I prefer using this Wow Aloe Vera Gel because it's 99% pure. Okay, it doesn't have too much chemicals in it. So I'll be using this Wow Aloe Vera Gel for my primer. So it's almost over. So I'll be first applying this Wow Aloe Vera Gel on my face. Okay, then I will be moisturizing my face, or you can say I will be preparing my base for the look really well. I'm done applying this even layer of aloe vera gel in my face. Now next step is that I will be taking this concealer. Now see, you can add according to your need. I don't require much concealer for my daily basis, so I will just focus in my under eye portion, side of my lips, the bridge of my nose, some marks of pimple. I don't generally have too many marks, but okay. Line in my forehead and few marks. That's it. Now using a blending brush, I'll blend this concealer. You can also use your fingers, anything that you prefer. Okay, I'm done with my base. See, it doesn't look too much, and I think it's absolutely fine. Okay, if you don't want, you can also skip using this concealer and apply a BB cream or CC cream, but I think this minimum coverage can work fine. I'll be not applying any more base products. That's it. Next, for my eyes, what I'm gonna do is that, see, now for a daily to daily basis it's not possible for us to take out the palette from the drawer, so things which come handy I will be using that. So for the eyes I will be using this Faces Canada crayon. I'll just take a little bit on my fingertip and simply run through the lid of my eyes, and using this finger I'll be blending it. Your finger can actually work much better than your brushes. Okay, now I will be blending it smoothly. I won't be applying too much for everyday basis. I think too much won't look good. Okay, so I'm done with my base and half of my eyes. Now the next step will be that I'll be adding a bit of a definition in the lower lash line. For that I will be using a product. Okay, now don't judge me guys, this is an eyebrow pencil. Okay, so the brown color I think works perfectly and I don't have any issues applying this on my lower lash line. So I will be using in my lower lash line this one just to add some definition. Now you can also use a black kohl or kajal, but a black kajal doesn't look good on me. It makes my eyes look much smaller, as you can completely see that I have hoodie eyelids or droopy eyelids. So applying this kohl works perfectly for me. Sorry, applying this eyebrow pencil works perfectly for me. That's it for the eyes. I won't be doing much with it. If you want, then you can apply 2 to 3 coats of mascara, but for an everyday basis I don't think so applying mascara is necessary, because see, mascara can harm your eyelashes and I generally use waterproof mascaras. So water resistant, or the normal mascaras doesn't work for me, so I'll be skipping this part. Now for the eyebrows, again I will be using this same product and I will be filling the gaps of my brows. I won't be applying too much. Generally I prefer or I do my brows in the salon. I thread it, but during this lockdown I can't do that, so these are not in its best form. So I'm trying to manage to maintain the shape, natural shape. That's it. I'll be just running through this pulley the brows, and okay, I'm done with my eyes. Okay, for the next step, what you will do for applying blush, then the same thing goes with the blush also. I don't have time for taking out the blushes, so I will be applying this lip gloss. Just I will apply 3 dots on the cheekbone and my chin and bit on my nose. Using this blush brush, I will be blending it down. Now you have to work really fast with it, because I think I have applied too much. Oh my god, I have to wipe it. Okay, that's fine. Now you know why I prefer applying tinted gloss. Glosses have, or lip glosses have, a sheen to it which actually adds a healthy glow to your skin. See, as I have told you before, my fingers works much better than the brushes. See how healthy now my skin is looking. You know, a natural kind of definition has already added on my face. So for the next step, what I'm gonna do is that I will be applying this highlighter. Now this is the highlighter and the most favorite product out of all the ones I'm using. So I will be applying this on the cheekbones of my face, then on the chin and on the nose and my eyebrow bone. Okay, using the blending brush I will be again blending this. Now this is such a good product, you can build it up, and see, after blending it you can't see any chunky particle, and that's the best part that I love about this product. You can apply it in a daytime and in the night time also. Okay, again I will be taking a little bit on my fingertip and apply it in the inner corner just to add the pop or glow. I'm almost done with my base. Now for the final step, I will be applying this lipstick again by Faces Canada. I will blend it simply. Now you can leave it like this if you are comfortable, but I am not comfortable wearing these bright colors for every day, so I'm gonna settle it down. For that I will be using another nude lipstick by Maybelline New York. I will just top it above it. See how beautifully it settles down the color and it's such a perfect look. So I have completed my look, and this is how my face looks. You guys comment me down how I am looking. I think this look absolutely perfect. I actually don't apply this much lipstick also. Okay, wait. I'm just gonna remove a bit of it. In makeup, you know what is the main key? Blending. Blend as much as you can. Okay, it's absolutely fine now. So that's it guys for today. Bye, take care, stay safe, stay at home. Again I will be coming with much more exciting videos. Till then, bye bye, see you soon.